Forget what you thought you knew about vitamins. Most people blindly swallow pills hoping for an energy boost or a shield against sniffles, believing that's the peak of their power. But what if I told you there's one unassuming molecule, a microscopic architect, that isn't just boosting your body, it's literally building the very blueprint of you, right this instant, from the ground up. It's not about giving you a little extra oomph, it's about ensuring your fundamental existence doesn't unravel into chaos. This isn't just health, this is the core of who you are. Prepare to have your mind absolutely blown, because we're talking about vitamin B9, the unsung hero known as folate or folic acid, and it's doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes of your entire being. Imagine your DNA, that impossibly complex double helix, as the ultimate instruction manual for life, thousands of pages long, filled with intricate codes for every single cell, every protein, every tiny function that makes you, well, you. Now, picture B9 as the elite construction crew, working tirelessly, not just reading that manual, but actually copying and repairing it, every single second of every single day. Without this silent superstar, that precious instruction manual simply cannot be duplicated. Your cells wouldn't know how to divide, how to repair, how to even exist in their current form. It's like trying to print a book with no ink, or build a skyscraper with no blueprints, utterly impossible. Every single new cell, every moment your body regenerates, is a testament to the ceaseless, critical work of B9. This isn't just a vitamin, it's the master key to your biological hard drive. For centuries, before the scientific gaze could pinpoint its essence, a deficiency of this vitamin was often misdiagnosed as other conditions, masking its silent, pervasive impact on human health and leaving countless individuals mystified by ailments that stemmed from this unseen deficit. It controls the very words written in your genetic code, dictating whether they are copied perfectly or marred by errors. This isn't just about feeling good, it's about the integrity of your very identity, encoded in every strand of DNA. Think about it, every blink of your eye, every beat of your heart, every thought that sparks in your brain, it all depends on cells working, dying, and being replaced. Your skin cells completely regenerate every few weeks, your red blood cells embark on a 120-day journey before being replaced, and even your stomach lining gets a total overhaul every few days. This isn't magic, it's an incredibly high-stakes, rapid-fire construction project happening within you, all the time. And guess who's leading the charge, ensuring the new materials are perfect and the old ones are seamlessly swapped out? You guessed it, vitamin B9. It's the ultimate cellular dynamiter, ensuring not just that cells are made, but that they're made correctly. It's involved in the methylation cycle, a sophisticated process that literally flips genetic switches on and off, influencing everything from detoxification to neurotransmitter production. This isn't some minor cog in the machine, it's the entire power grid, ensuring every single circuit fires perfectly. If you want proof of its fundamental importance, consider this bizarre fact. Some insects, like certain species of beetles, utilize specialized folate-binding proteins to store and transport the vitamin, showcasing its universal biological importance across vastly different life forms, from microscopic organisms to the most complex creatures on Earth. It's not just making cells, it's orchestrating a symphony of growth, repair, and renewal on a scale that would make any modern construction mogul weep with envy. Every time you heal from a cut, grow a new nail, or simply shed an old skin cell, you are witnessing the direct, magnificent power of B9 in action. But now, brace yourself, because we're about to dive into the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, and utterly crucial role of vitamin B9. This is where the sensational truly meets the profound, where a tiny molecule holds the power of life and destiny in its grasp. Imagine the moment of conception, that breathtaking spark when two cells unite to form the very first blueprint of a new human being. From that instant, an explosion of cell growth begins, a furious, miraculous race against time to form a complete organism. And at the absolute epicenter of this biological Big Bang, guiding every single division, shaping every developing organ, is vitamin B9. Without adequate levels, especially during those first critical weeks of pregnancy, the consequences can be nothing short of catastrophic. We're talking about devastating neural tube defects, like spina bifida and anencephaly, conditions where the brain or spinal cord fail to develop properly. This isn't just about a potential health issue, it's about the very formation of life's central command system, a tiny, developing spine, a fragile brain, literally unable to close and fuse, leaving lifelong, profound impacts. It's almost creepy how a seemingly insignificant dietary oversight could dictate such monumental, irreversible outcomes for an entire human being, even before many women even realize they're pregnant. The silent, unyielding power of this tiny molecule to either facilitate the miracle of flawless development or permit a tragedy of unimaginable scale is a testament to its supreme importance. Think about it, a small dietary adjustment, a simple nutrient, can be the difference between a child born with immense challenges and one who thrives. And if you think that's intense, consider this: a single, incredibly rare genetic mutation can render the body almost entirely unable to properly activate this vitamin, demanding specialized, pre-methylated forms for survival, illustrating just how precise and vital its role is in the most fundamental processes of life. It's a stark, humbling reminder that sometimes, the smallest elements hold the most colossal power over our existence. So, what's the secret to harnessing this DNA master key, this cellular architect, this miracle maker? The good news is, it's deliciously simple, incredibly accessible, and surprisingly ordinary. No exotic superfoods or expensive potions needed. Your daily dose of destiny is waiting in the vibrant greens that grace our planet. We're talking about the lush, emerald bounty of spinach, the hearty robust leaves of kale, the humble, earthy power of lentils and black beans. Dive into the zesty freshness of citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruit, and lemons. Feast on avocado, broccoli, and asparagus as nature's own powerhouses, brimming with the B9 your body craves. Even fortified cereals and breads proudly carry this vital ingredient, ensuring broad access to its life-sustaining properties. This isn't about restrictive diets or grand sacrifices, it's about embracing the vibrant, wholesome foods that have nourished humanity for millennia. Every leafy green salad, every bean burrito, every juicy orange isn't just a meal, it's an active choice to fortify your very being, to ensure your internal blueprints are pristine, your cells are strong, and your future is bright. It's an act of self-love, an investment in your genetic legacy, a simple daily ritual that holds profound significance for your health and the health of generations to come. So, knowing that a simple choice on your plate holds the power to meticulously build your very existence, perfect your DNA, and literally sculpt the future, doesn't it make you wonder what other hidden powers lie dormant within the everyday foods we often overlook?